If you are attending someone else's wedding and if you want to dress traditional, semi-casual, casual and semi-formal, this video covers all your outfit needs under 11,000 rupees, and this video is a continuation of my Build Your Wardrobe series, but here the purpose is going to be wedding outfits, and at each and every price point starting at 1400, 2000 rupees, 3000 rupees and 4500 rupees. There is an outfit for each and everyone according to your budgets. That's the specialty for this video. I did a lot of research and landed with these options, and stay tuned till end of the video, guys. What's up my stylish people, this is Shank. Welcome back to the channel. 11,000 rupees, you feel that it's a bit more when it comes to attending someone else's wedding. Yes, it is true, but in case if you have 4 different functions, if you consider that and the options you are going to see in this video, I think that's a reasonable budget. And for the outfit number 1, I have gone for the traditional outfit and I have gone with a brand named UNM. It is a dark blue color kurta with the same color churidar and with a printed bandi jacket in this rust orangish red tint to it. And I like the color combination of this particular kurta with this bandi jacket, guys, and that's why I went with this traditional attire when it comes to the budget. And this is from a brand called UNM and it is priced at 2000 rupees. However, during the Amazon's recent sale, I got this at a price point of 1500 to 1400, I think. I'm not sure exactly about the price points, but somewhere around 1400 to 1500 rupees I got this one. And as I said multiple number of times in my previous videos, the prices may vary depending on when you're shopping, either during the sale time or not. Sometimes you may get it for less and sometimes you may get it for more. When it comes to the material composition for this kurta as well as the churidar, it's a Banarasi dupion silk. It doesn't feel exactly smooth on the skin, but it is neither rough. So it is somewhere in between. I think for the price points you are getting a full kurta set as well as the bandi jacket at a price point of 1500 rupees. And on top of that, the color combinations, even you can use the kurta set separately, and whenever you want the bandi jacket you can wear that as well. I think the material composition is fine. I went with the size medium and it fits perfect to me. When it comes to bandi jacket, if you want to wear this for the summer season, I think you have to consider that the material is a little bit thicker when compared to the normal bandi jackets you would get, but overall the quality seems fine. If I just button these center 2 buttons, the fit for me is a little bit appealing or flattering, guys. For the outfit number 2, I got only the black color Jodhpuri jacket from Amazon at a price point of 2100. It is from a brand called Dhingra and I got this in a size of 38. And this is a medium sized Jodhpuri jacket. I like the quality of the jacket and I like how the jacket fits, but I don't think the QC process is great. When it arrived, the hanger was half broken and one of the buttons for this jacket was in pretty bad condition. So that's an important point to note. You can exchange that, you can even return that and order one more piece. For me, actually, I wanted to release this video for you guys as soon as possible. The exchange time frames for this particular Jodhpuri jacket, it was showing almost like 7 to 10 days. But the essence for this video is to take a cue or inspiration from this particular outfit. Here I paired the black Jodhpuri jacket with the black color trouser from Jack & Jones. Not necessarily that you have to use the same trouser. In case if you want to attend any wedding that demands you to dress semi-formal, I think it's better to go with the darker colors. And what's better than the black color? I mean all black outfit. I went with the black color lower as well as the black color loafers to keep it super simple. And for all these outfits, just a point to note, you would need only one black loafers. You can look good for the weddings. And for the super casual option, I would suggest you guys to have one white sneakers. In case if you didn't watch my video on the white sneakers under 2000 rupees, I will make sure that I will leave the link in the description as well as on the iCard. Feel free to check it out in case if you want to buy a white sneaker under 2000 rupees as well. This is not going to be out of style anytime. Anyone can look good, guys, because it's one of our favorite color. And moving on to the outfit number 3 at the price point of 3000 rupees. In case if you have to attend a morning weddings during the summer seasons and you want to follow the summer vibe, you don't want to look too traditional, not too super casual. And this is where we are landing perfectly with this Manyavar floral printed kurta in a size of medium, guys, which equals to size 38 when it comes to Manyavar. This is priced at 3000 rupees. I absolutely like this off-white color printed kurta from Manyavar. Yes, it's a little bit pricey just for the kurta, but here the silk composition, the material is so smooth, guys. It almost feels like a viscose kind of material, and on top of that the prints are so subtle with the green as well as the maroon print on top of them. And you can pair this kurta easily with any of the lowers which you already have. Be it a chino, it will match. Be it a jeans, it will look good. You can go super casual by using the sneakers along with the jeans. Even though the prints are a casual prints, being it a kurta makes it semi-casual. And then whatever the trouser, if you want to use a churidar even from that number 1, or if you want to use just a chino and have a loafers to it, it is super fine, guys. This is going to be super versatile in terms of the prints, in terms of the colors, because here it's a neutral color, it's an off-white color, and on top of that the prints are so subtle. You can never go wrong with this kurta at a price point of 3000 rupees. Moving on to the wedding outfit number 4, which is on a budget. It's a complete suit, guys, under 5000 rupees from Jack & Jones. I got this on Amazon at this crazy price points, and this one I liked it so much just because of 3 reasons. Number 1, how it fits, even though the trouser I need to get them hemmed. Number 2, the stripes are not in your face kind of stripes, and the stripes with that color combination of the light grayish blue looks so good to me. And number 3, how versatile it can be with this color combination, because you can use a shirt inside and can look semi-casual to semi-formal. You can use a t-shirt like how I used for this outfit and can be super casual. If you can see, for this wedding outfit number 4, I paired this outfit with a t-shirt inside and a white sneakers to keep it super casual. As with all the outfits for this video, this outfit is also going to be super versatile, because in case if you want to use this trouser for the normal day-to-day purpose, you can do that. In case if you wanted to buy a suit for your friend's wedding or your family function and want to be on the super casual side, this one at a price point of less than 5000 rupees, actually it's closer to 4000 rupees, is the best bargain you can during this summer season. And Jack & Jones quality, I don't think so I need to mention that separately, and that too for the suits. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys like this 4 affordable wedding outfits at each and every price point, and this is the continuation or the next episode for the Building the Wardrobe series, but it's not exactly a normal basic wardrobe, it's for a wedding wardrobe, and you can never go wrong with all the pieces. I did a lot of research and landed with these options. Make sure that you get the good quality pieces, or else do exchange or return the items. Not necessarily that you have to go with the same color combinations, but these are the classic colors which you would need to invest, because not exactly during that specific wedding. You can use these pieces later on for the normal day-to-day use as well. That's my basic ideology, because sometimes when we invest for weddings, we do tend to go overboard with the patterns or with all the designs on the Jodhpuri jackets, or be it any other. In case if it is your wedding, it's understandable, but for others' wedding, I don't think so it's needed. That's why you have to keep it simple, classic and stylish, and all the outfits check marks that. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification bell to get notified as soon as I post a video. That's it from me. See you guys next time.